Alright, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. And this is coming from Brigii, I do believe. This might come in handy. Brigii. Brigii. And this is their Cordless HandHeld Vacuum MX20. Ooh. That looks cool. Let's take a look at this. This would be a nice little Christmas gift, birthday gift, housewarming gift. You name it. Be a good one. We'll test it out. If I could get this open. There we go. Should be an easy one to put together. Unless it's already put together. Brigii. And we got a couple machine, indicator, filter, dust cup, on and off, air outlet, charging port. Cool. You can take this on the road. Maybe if you're an Amazon driver, keep your car clean, use Brigii. You get the clean cushions. Here we go. Oh, you get a nice little travel bag. Okay, that's good enough. Here we go, Brigii. So you get this. Nice little baggie. Take it on the road with you. Open this thing up. Get the USB cable to charge it. See? Extends it and then it'll suck it up. Close it like that. And now, whoa, check it out. Really nice. Filter there. This is a nice design. Got the fan there, button there. That was easy. Look at those. Bam. That was easy. Okay, there's the filter. Lock it in. That's lock, unlock. It's locked in good. We'll test it out on my couch. Okay, I think that's in. Now, can I use this as is, or do I need to add the extender? I do gotta check. Because like I said, this is my first time using this kind of. But it's a lot better than the old ones they had back in the day. So big back in the day. They would give them free with if you buy a car or something like that. Can't remember. It's been a long time. Wash the filters, dust cup, air dry them completely. So you could wash them, you know, run it underneath the sink, clean it out, and air dry. There's all the good stuff. Okay, so I think might as well just extend. Bam, it's locked in. Whoops. There you go. See? Whoa. You definitely feel a fan going. Here's the USB. A little bit. Well, you can clean anything pretty much. Let's see if I can get something new. There we go. See, you can see it rolling. There we go, that cleaned that pretty good. Just see a little bit. That's pretty powerful though. See, this is what it looks like. Long ways. But yeah, definitely really cool. Check them out, guys. Cordless handheld vacuum coming from Brigii MX20. Check them out. Link will be down below. Get it out. Be safe.